Let's see some questions based on what we have seen under the Knowing Our Numbers chapter. We have seen places, place values, Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. So we are going to give commas. First question is mark commas at the correct places according to the Indian system of numeration. Indian system के हिसाब से हमको यहाँ पे कॉमास देना है. कॉमास हम प्लेसेस और पीरियड्स के हिसाब से देते हैं. तो यहाँ पे पहला नंबर हमारे पास दिया हुआ है 64387478. So starting from the right side, the places we have ones, tens and hundreds. So that is one period, ones period. Here is the first comma. Then we have thousands period which have 1000 and 10,000. So 7 and 8 comes in that. Again here comma. Then we have lakhs period. So lakh, 10 lakh. So 3 and 4. And the last place we have here is crores place, which comes under crores period. Next number we have 7038734. Again, starting from the right side, the first three places form the ones period. So that is first comma. Then the next two numbers, next two digits come under thousands period, and the next two come under lakhs period. Then next we have 7627018883. First from the right, first three digits, that is ones period. Then next two digits come under thousands period. Next two digits come under lakhs period, and the last here we have crores period. So that's how we give commas as per the Indian system of numeration. Next we have write the number names according to the Indian system of numeration. Number names means writing it in words, how we read the number. So we have this number 66,92,500. We have to write this in words. So 66,92,2,000. Here we have 500. So that's 66,92,500. Next we have 89 crore 65,43,230. So here we have 89 crore 65 lakh 43,213. Next question is write the following numbers in the Indian place value chart. So I have already drawn the place value chart here, Indian place value chart. These are the numbers given. We have to put them in the columns as per their places. So it is very simple. Just the number starting from the right digit, start from the rightmost column. That is 7 will come in the ones column. Then 3 will come in tens column. 1 in the hundreds column. Then these were the ones period. These three digits were in the ones period. Then 8 and 9 in the thousands period, and 0, 2 in the lakhs period. Commas are also given. That will also help. Then next is 1, 8, 5. That is ones period. 2, 3. That is thousands period. 4, 7, that is lakhs period, and 5 in the crores period, that is crores place. Then your last number is 5201486148633. So that is crores period, lakhs period, thousands period and ones period. Next question we have, write the number names according to the International System of Numeration. So first here we have 34. Here see, this is the international system. The periods have three digits. The first three digits are ones period, the next three digits are thousands period, and the next three will be millions period. Here only two are there, but even if they are three like this here, three, so they are millions period. So we have to write as per the international system. Let's write, this is 34,567,847. So we'll write it 34,500. So that is 100. The period is 1000, but this is 100,000. Therefore 567,000. In the last we have 8. This is hundreds place, and the group is ones period. So 847. Since this is ones period, it will end here. Next we have, this is millions period, thousands period and ones period. So here and the places also you have to remember. This is 400. Period is million, but the place is 100 billion. So therefore 476 million. This is 300. Now this is period is 1000, but the place is 100,000. So therefore 393,000. And the last here is 140. Now here, when we are writing for the millions period, this complete is the millions period. So at the last you have to write the millions. You don't have to write 400 million. This complete thing will be million. This complete is 1000, and this is ones period. So that ends here. And whenever we are writing, see 34. So here I am giving a dash. 67. So here again given a dash. 47 again given a dash. That gives a connection. Next question. Write the following in numerals. Here the numbers are written in words. We have to write it in numerals. Numbers likhne hai. So first one, we have both Indian and international system here. So the first we have 2,72,57,981. Now you can group them first as per the periods. So this is 981 ones period. This is 57,000 thousands period. 72 lakh, that is lakhs period, and 2 crore, that is crores period. So like this you can group them as per the period and then write, so it will be easy for writing. 2 crore, comma, 2 comma, 72 lakhs, so 72, then comma, 57,000, so 57 comma for 1000, and then 981. Simple. Then here, this is the international system. Again here also group them as per the periods. So we have 453. So this is the ones period from 4 till this. Next we have the thousands period is from 100. So 756,000. This is one period. Thousands period. And this is millions period. Are you understanding how we have grouped here? This is ones period from 453. Then this is 756,000. The 3 digits and 3 places, and here 80 million, that is millions period. 80 million, so means 80 million, so comma 756,000, so 756, that is for 1000 period, and last we have 400, this is 453, so 53. Getting? Now next again is based on the international system, group them as per the period. 105 is the ones period, then 1000 period, 1000 is here, so from here 323,000, this is the 1000 period, and this is our millions period. So let's write here 420 million, so 420, 420, this 420, so 20 is 20 million. 323, this is for 1000, and 105, this is 105, we don't have tens place, so therefore 0 and then 5. अगला क्वेश्चन है, write the place value of the underlined digits. So numbers are given and in that a digit is underlined. We have to write the place value of only that digit. So here 3 is at what place? Unit, tens, hundreds. So 3 into 100, that is hundreds, 300. Place value is 300. 3 into 100, that is 300 of the digit 3. Here again 3 is underlined but is at the different place. So 3 into, what is the place value? What we are doing, we are taking the digit and multiplying it with the place value. Place value here is unit, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So we have to multiply this by 10 lakh. So we get the place value of the digit 3, that is 30 lakh. And then the next number is 6 digit 6 is underlined. 6 into place value is unit, 10, 100, 1000. So we multiply it by 1000. So we get 6,000. That is the place value of the digit 6. Next, write the following numbers in expanded form. अब complete number को हमको expanded form में लिखना है. यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक डिजिट को अंडरलाइन किया होता, उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू लिखनी थी. जब हम एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म में लिखते हैं तब पूरे डिजिट्स की प्लेस वैल्यूज लिखते हैं. ठीक है, तो जैसे यहाँ लिखा है वैसे ही, बट सारे डिजिट्स की लिखनी. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज दिस नाउ. सो यहाँ पे प्लेस वैल्यूज हम लिख रहे हैं 6 into प्लेस वैल्यू है 10 लाख प्लस 3 की प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है 3 into प्लेस वैल्यू है लाख. देन 7 की प्लेस वैल्यू है, हाँ मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं प्लेस वैल्यू से, बीच में एडिशन क्यों आ रहा है क्योंकि उनको ऐड करना रहेगा. क्यों वो भी दिखा देता हूं. 7 की प्लेस वैल्यू है 10,000, 2 की प्लेस वैल्यू है 1000, 8 की प्लेस वैल्यू है 100, 2 की प्लेस वैल्यू है 10 एंड 9 की प्लेस वैल्यू है 1. तो अब ये नंबर जो डिजिट है उसको प्लेस वैल्यू से मल्टीप्लाई करना है और सबको एडिशन करना है. एडिशन क्यों करते हैं वो भी आपको समझ जाएगा. अब ये मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखना है तो 60 लाख, इसकी प्लेस वैल्यू हो गई 60, इसकी हो गई 3 लाख, देन 70,000, फिर 2,000, 800, then 20 and then 9. तो हमने इनको मल्टीप्लाई किया है, ये सभी मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं हमने, यहाँ पे एडिशन है. तो ये मल्टीप्लाई करके हमको ये मिला. ये हमारा एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म है. इसको ऐसे लिखकर ये लिखे तो भी चलेगा, डायरेक्ट ये लिखा तो भी चलेगा. अब यहाँ पे ये एडिशन जो हम लिख रहे थे, क्यों लिख रहे थे, क्योंकि 60 लाख प्लस 3 लाख हम करेंगे 63 लाख मिलेगा आपको, फिर 70,000 प्लस 2,000 करेंगे हमको क्या मिलेगा, 72,000 मिल जाएगा, 800 प्लस 20 प्लस 9 829। सो ये वापस जो नंबर हमने लिखा था वो हमको मिल रहा है। सो ये एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म इस नंबर का है, दैट्स व्हाई एडिशन भी आएगा। यहां अगर ऐसे लिख रहे हो तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन यहाँ पे आएगा। अब नेक्स्ट नंबर एक और लेते हैं जिसमें एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म लिखना है। ये एक नंबर लिया था हमने, ये कितने डिजिट नंबर है हमारा, 7 डिजिट नंबर था, ठीक है। इसको अगर दूसरा एग्जांपल देखते हैं, 31,76,98,044 डायरेक्ट इस फॉर्म में लिख लेते हैं, ठीक है। ये है करोड़ की प्लेस, सो 3। अब जब हम डायरेक्ट लिख रहे हैं या ऐसे करके लिखना है, जैसे भी लिखना है, सिंपल मेथड एक दिखाता हूं। 3 लिखा है, उसके बाद में जीरोस कितने आने वाले हैं, करोड़ प्लेस अगर आपको याद है कि करोड़ की प्लेस में कितने जीरोस आते हैं तो गुड, नहीं याद है तो क्या करना है, डिजिट्स काउंट करना है। 3 के बाद कितने डिजिट है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 जीरोस लगेंगे 3 के बाद, 1 2 3 के बाद 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 जीरोस, कॉमास देंगे, ये कॉमास, जैसे कॉमास वहां दिए वैसे दो, या आपको पीरियड्स तो हमने सीखा, ये पीरियड्स के हिसाब से दो। ये हो गया प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 3 दैट इज 30 करोड़ 1। अब इसमें 8 जीरोस थे तो यहां कितने जीरोस आएंगे, 7 जीरोस। देन 7, यहां पे कितने जीरोस आएंगे, एक जीरो काउंट होता जाएगा, 8 7, फिर नेक्स्ट प्लेस में आएगा 6 जीरोस, तो 7 के साथ आ जाएंगे 6 जीरोस, 6 के साथ आ जाएंगे 5 जीरोस, 9 के साथ आ जाएंगे 4 जीरोस, 0 है, ये यहां पे 0 लिख दिया तो भी चलेगा, नहीं लिखा तो भी चलेगा, प्लस 4 के बाद कितने डिजिट है, एक ही डिजिट है, और यहां पे 4 के बाद एक भी डिजिट नहीं है तो 4 है। सो इस तरह से आप डायरेक्टली भी एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म लिख सकते हैं।